Hey class, so this is the one question I am recording on the review, and this is number 3. We're going to talk about congruency using corresponding points. I can clearly see that the first diagram is not congruent because figure B is much larger than figure A, but I need to prove it. So I'm going to mark corresponding points. That means points that would be in the same position. If I pick this up and put it on top, where would these points meet up? Where would they correspond? And I am going to connect those by a line. So the thought of this is if I measure this one and measure this one, I can prove if they are congruent by the same measurement. I'm saying they're not, so they should be different measurements. So this one here is about 2 and a little over 2, almost 3. I'm going to round it just for safe and call it almost 3 centimeters. Almost, it's not quite. It's like 2/8. And this one here I'm going to measure, and it's almost 3.5 centimeters. I can write that these are not congruent because measuring corresponding points figure A is 3 centimeters and figure B is 3.5. Therefore, not congruent. You're going to do the same thing for the other one. You're looking for proof. You're using a ruler. I will provide rulers in class. I can mark this point, A and C, and E and G. I know mine kind of went close, and you will measure the line to see if they're congruent. Good luck on that.